equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Today, we are diving into the process of replacing the LCD cover on your HP Pavilion 14 DY1XXX. This task can seem daunting, but with the right tools and guidance, you'll have your laptop looking brand new in no time. Let's get started. First, gather your tools. You'll need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a clean microfiber cloth. Make sure you have a safe workspace to avoid losing any screws. Begin by powering off your laptop and disconnecting it from any power source. It's crucial to ensure your device is completely off to avoid any electrical issues. Next, flip the laptop over to access the back panel. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws securing the back panel. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you'll need them later. Once the screws are out, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel. Be careful not to apply too much force, as you don't want to damage the clips holding it in place. With the back panel removed, you'll see the internal components of your laptop. Take a moment to clean any dust or debris using the microfiber cloth. This is a good opportunity to ensure your laptop is running efficiently. If you're unsure about cleaning or need assistance, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Now, locate the LCD cover. You'll see several screws holding it in place. Carefully remove these screws with your Phillips screwdriver. Keep track of which screws go where, as they may vary in size. Once the screws are out, gently lift the LCD cover away from the laptop. If it feels stuck, double-check for any remaining screws or clips. Before installing the new LCD cover, take a moment to inspect the area for any damage or debris. If you find anything concerning, it's best to address it now. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your laptop. Now, take your new LCD cover and align it with the laptop. Ensure that all clips and screw holes are properly aligned. Once you're satisfied, gently press the cover into place. Secure it with the screws you removed earlier, making sure they're tightened but not overly so, as this could crack the cover. After securing the LCD cover, it's time to reattach the back panel. Align it carefully and press down until you hear the clips snap into place. Finally, replace the screws you removed earlier to secure the back panel. Before you power on your laptop, take a moment to clean the exterior with your microfiber cloth. This will give it a polished look. Once you're done, flip the laptop back over, reconnect it to power, and turn it on. If you encounter any issues during this process, don't hesitate to reach out. We provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know what to expect. Remember, no calls, no travel. We are here to make your repair experience as smooth as possible. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.